Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will take you through my daily routine, from morning until night. But first, let me ask you, what is your favorite part of the day? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Write it in the comments. Now come with me and see what I do every day. Let's start. I wake up at 7 a.m. The sun is rising, and everything is calm. I stretch my arms, stretch my legs, and yawn. I like to take a few moments in bed, just breathing and feeling the morning around me. It is quiet and peaceful. A perfect start for the day. I get out of bed slowly. I walk to the bathroom. I splash cold water on my face. It feels so fresh. I brush my teeth carefully and look at myself in the mirror. My hair is messy, but that is okay. I take a deep breath and smile. I feel ready to start the day. At 7:30 a.m., I go to the kitchen. I boil water for tea. It smells so good. I make toast, golden brown, and cook eggs. I enjoy these small moments. Listening to the kettle whistling, hearing the toast pop, smelling the food. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I sip my tea and think about my day. Today, I have many things to do, but I feel calm and ready. After breakfast at 8 a.m., I clean my plate and return to my room. I pick clothes, something comfortable and neat. I brush my hair carefully, combing every strand. I put a little perfume, just to feel fresh. I take a deep breath, smile at myself, and feel prepared for the day. Morning is done, but I feel happy and calm. At 8:30 a.m., I sit at my desk. This is my little work corner. I open my laptop and check my emails. Some are important. Some are small. I write down my tasks for today. First, finish my report. Second, answer emails. Third, read a chapter of my book. Writing down tasks helps me feel organized. I feel calm when I see everything clearly. I start working slowly at 9 a.m. I type carefully, checking every sentence. Sometimes I pause and look out of the window. The birds are singing. The breeze is gentle. I breathe deeply and feel peaceful. Small breaks are important. I stretch my arms, drink a little water, and then continue. Focusing on one task at a time makes me feel productive. At 11 a.m., I check my notes again, review what I have done, and feel satisfied. Work is not just about finishing things, It is about feeling calm, feeling capable, and feeling ready for the rest of the day. At 11:15 a.m., I do some household chores. I fold clothes, organize my desk, and tidy my room. It feels good to see everything clean and in order. A clean space makes my mind calm. I wash some dishes, wipe the counters, and sweep the floor. I sometimes play soft music while I work. It makes chores feel lighter and happier. I hum quietly, moving from one task to another. Small tasks may seem simple, but they make my home peaceful and comfortable. At 12 p.m., I do some yoga. I roll out my yoga mat. I stretch my arms, bend slowly, and take deep breaths. Yoga makes me feel calm, relaxed, and strong. I focus on my body and my breath, enjoying the quiet moments. Exercise and mindfulness are good for my body and my mind. After yoga, I feel happy, peaceful, and ready for lunch. At 12:45 p.m., I feel a little hungry. It is time for lunch. I make something simple, maybe a sandwich or a salad. I wash the vegetables carefully, chop them slowly, and prepare my meal. While I cook, I hum softly. I sip water, taste a little of the food, and enjoy each step. Cooking slowly helps me feel calm and relaxed. After preparing lunch, I sit at the table and eat slowly. I chew carefully, savoring every bite. I think about the morning, what I finished, and what I will do next. Lunch is a small moment to pause and refresh. At 4 p.m., I like to go for a walk. The air is cool. The sun is slowly going down, and the sky is pink and orange. Walking makes me feel calm and happy. I take slow steps, enjoying the sounds around me. Birds are singing, leaves are moving in the wind, and children are playing in the distance. It feels peaceful. Sometimes I visit the market nearby at 5 p.m. I buy fresh vegetables and fruits. I choose carefully, touch the vegetables, smell the fruits, and think about what I will cook later. Shopping slowly is enjoyable. It makes me feel connected to my home and food. I greet the shopkeepers, smile, and feel happy. After shopping, I walk back home. At 7 p.m., I start preparing dinner. I wash vegetables carefully, chop them slowly, and heat water. Cooking slowly helps me relax. The smell of food is comforting. I stir gently, tasting a little, adjusting the spices. After a while, dinner is ready. I plate it nicely and eat slowly, savoring every bite. Dinner is a small celebration of the day, a moment to rest and feel grateful. After dinner at 8 p.m., I clean the kitchen. I wash dishes, wipe counters, and organize everything. Then I sit quietly, watch a little TV, or read a book. I reflect on the day, what I accomplished, and what I will do tomorrow. Thinking for a few minutes makes me feel organized and calm. Before bed at 9:30 p.m., I prepare my clothes and bag for tomorrow. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and change into pajamas. I lie down, close my eyes, and take a few deep breaths. I feel happy, peaceful, and grateful. Slowly, I drift into sleep, ready for a new day, ready to be Alice again. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you enjoyed my daily routine. Remember, small moments, small tasks, and calm steps make life peaceful and happy. What part of your day do you enjoy the most? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Write it in the comments. Good night, and see you tomorrow.